Hi everyone, my name is Yang Yang. For this assessment, I chose a place called Royal Botanic Garden. When I went to the Royal Botanic Garden for the first time, I was deeply attracted by the nature scenery here. I never expected such a quiet natural park in this bustling city of Sydney. The Royal Botanic Garden is an open nature park located near of the Sydney Opera House, where a hundred of plants can be seen. Entering the park through a small and remarkable gate, there are so many trees, small trees nearly line up on both sides of the road, which leading to the center of the park. It have a unique mathematical beauty. The Botanic Garden has a very big floor area, which provides a big of possibilities for visitors to see more plants and animals. The most attractive things about the Royal Botanic Garden is protection of nature. It does not have to trim trees and building various ponds and bridges for the sake of beauty like many parks. The Royal Botanic Garden keeps the plants as much as possible. There are many tall trees in the middle of the park. Many families or couples choose to rest under the trees. I lay under the trees for a while and feel very comfortable. I accidentally noticed the signs under the trees which wrote about lots of knowledge about this kind of trees. This made me reflect on the fact that I cannot only view the things from only one perspective, but also learn from a scientific perspective. I deliberately observed the plants in the park and found a lot of things that I have overlooked. For example, two kinds of plants, fallen leaves just looks very different. Because most of them is green, I didn't look closely, and many of the leaves have different shapes. Two different branches cross like parabola. It's a regular square between the two leaves, and the fallen leaves under the huge tree spread outward in a semi-curly pattern. All of those triggered my think about mathematics. Non-human elements interact well with humans. There's able adults and children to have their desire for knowledge and exploration of new things, while animals in the park are not allowed to be fed any food. There are another way to interact, such as petting the heads of birds that are not afraid humans. Those are very good and meaningful interactions between humans and nature. Those elements make up the world we live in today. Every plant in the park has intimate introduction, which is also an important reason why I think the Royal Botanic Garden is a teaching area. Children have a strong curiosity and a desire to explore, and the broad floor area of Royal Botanic Garden, rich flora and fauna all meet the needs of children. Those things are very helpful and around children's curiosity about the names and the species of plants and animals, and wonder why those animals are different colors and different names. In this process of curiosity and exploration can quick develop in children's math and science thinking. What's more, to my great satisfaction, this is a ban on cars and bicycles in this park, which ensures the safety of children. Beneficial for children's physical and mental health to receive education in such an open and free environment. And children will not feel the learning and exploration is a boring job. In a natural environment, children will be better creative and find their own real interest and hobbies and suitable for their own learning style.